Now let us start how to perform asynchronous operation in Redux Toolkit. For that, you should understand createAsyncThunk function. In Redux Toolkit, this function is used to create asynchronous actions typically for handling API requests in Redux. And this allows us to handle different states like pending, fulfilled, and rejected automatically without writing much boilerplate code. So, to implement this, we are going to follow three steps. First step, we are going to define async thunk. Then, we are going to handle thunk in a slice. And finally, we are going to dispatch async thunk. And for this first step, inside this Redux toolkit, we are having this createAsyncThunk function, which will be accepting two parameters. And the first parameter is the action name, and the second is the callback function. Then, inside this second step, we are going to handle thunk in a slice. So, createAsyncThunk function is going to dispatch the promised lifecycle actions, and those are pending, fulfilled, and rejected. Pending when the request is initiated, fulfilled when the request is successful, and rejected when there is an error while fetching the data. So here we can listen to these action types with a reducer function and perform the necessary state transitions. And these reducers are not generated by the slice. So here we are going to use the concept of extra reducers. Practically, when we implement this, you will understand in more better way. Then finally, we are having the third step, that is to dispatch this async thunk.